Welcome to Greenwood Bonsai today. In a couple of weeks' time, it's our annual Bonsai Bash here, the 10th and 11th of May. We're just in the early stages of preparation for that event. We do it every year. It's something we do to give back to the bonsai community, for our customers and people that we see during the year. It's a completely free event. If you want to come up and watch the demonstrations, talk to fellow individuals, enthusiasts. We have an exhibition of my trees on during the event. These trees are in here today because I'm teaching tomorrow, but we have a larger display of my trees on during the Bonsai Bash. This year we're very pleased to be welcoming Sean Smith from the USA, and he's doing some workshops on the Friday, Saturday on root stand carving, and he's done a little video about that to introduce himself and also to show you the root stand carving. There's still some spaces on his workshops, so I'm going to feed you into his little video to show you, and we hope to welcome some of you here in a couple of weeks' time, 10th and 11th of May. Take care.
Hey Sean, Corin needs a video for his Bonsai Bash.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, we can do that for him.
Okay.
All right, so in 2 weeks or so, I'll be over at the UK, over at the Corin Thomason's at Greenwood Gardens, and we'll be doing this workshop together, hopefully. It's a little root stand used for display with either a Shohin bonsai or perhaps a accent plant with a larger bonsai. We're going to use Western red cedar. It comes from the northwestern part of the United States and also British Columbia. Very lightweight, it's non-toxic, very easy to carve, and it's actually a beautiful wood and it smells wonderful. So, without any further ado, I'm going to continue on one I've started last week and just show you some of the carving techniques I'm going to be using, and hopefully you will be using with my guidance at the Greenwood Nursery. It's quite easy to carve. We're actually using these specialized bits. They're called burr bits, and if I'm not mistaken, I think Corin has them for sale at the nursery. If not, you can pick them up online on eBay or Amazon. But in any case, it's a very simple task. It's not very difficult. Every student will be provided a blank. This blank has holes pre-drilled, the bottom already routed out, so it makes it very quickly. So it should be a fun time. Ladies, do not hesitate. Some of the best workshops I've done and some of the best tables that have come out have been by the ladies. So again, no carving experience is necessary, and all I ask is that you bring an electric Dremel tool, not a battery operated, because it won't last the entire session. So let me show you in here. One is a little larger than the one we'll be doing at the workshop, but nevertheless it's the same exact style and feature. So this will be the root stand that you'll create at Corin's in the next 2 weeks or so. It's ideal, it works well. It's something special because you actually made it with your own hands, so you don't have to water it, fertilize, prune, or anything. It's a great piece to have for any bonsai enthusiast. And again, that's the image there. So I look forward to seeing all my friends in the UK. And thank you very much, Corin, and see you in a couple weeks. Thank you.